No-code app builders are everywhere right now. They promise a quick, easy, and affordable way to launch your own mobile app. No developers, no coding. Just plug and play and launch in hours. Now on the surface, that sounds great, but here's the truth. No-code app builders come with real hidden costs. They don't show up on your credit card statement. They show up in lost time, lost sales, and lost opportunities. So let's break this down. The first hidden cost is opportunity cost. When you're working with no-code templates, you're always going to be limited. This matters a lot for web-first businesses like e-commerce stores. It means you can't truly replicate your website's experience, the design, features, or checkout flow that actually make your store work. You end up with an app that looks generic, works different than your site, and gives customers few reasons to actually use it. For e-commerce stores, that's a deal breaker. Your website and your app should work hand in hand, offering these same features, same performance, and same brand experience. With most no-code app builders, that's simply not possible. The second hidden cost is maintenance. After you launch, keeping your app up to date becomes a full-time job. Every time you update your website, add your product, tweak your design, or change your navigation, you have to go in your app builder and do it all over again. And if you're using one of those plug-and-play Shopify app builders, that happens a lot. We've talked to brands who spent 10 to 20 hours every week just updating their app to stay consistent with their site. That's thousands of dollars in time. And one more thing, pulling your team away from other projects. MobiLoud is a different kind of app builder. It turns your website into a mobile app with no coding, but without the limitations or the maintenance headaches. It's fully managed and your app stays automatically synced with your website. Update your site and your app updates right along with it instantly. There's no duplicate work and no wasted hours. You get a fully branded, high-performance app that looks and feels like your website, but lives right on your customers' phones. All while other apps drain your time, MobiLoud runs quietly in the background, generating revenue on autopilot. So yes, no-code tools might look cheaper upfront, but when you add all the opportunity costs, the time costs, and the performance costs, they're anything but. If you want an app that actually works without doubling your workload, MobiLoud is the smarter, more sustainable way to do it. If you want to see what your site looks as an app, go visit app.mobiloud.com. It's free, no commitment, and just a live preview of what your app would look like. So don't settle for a low-cost app that will cost you more in the long run. Launch the right way today with MobiLoud.